Hey little yogis, ready to stretch, smile, and shine? Let's begin our magical yoga adventure.
Ready, set, go! Mountain pose, or Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, grounding evenly through both feet. Your spine should feel long, shoulders relaxed, and your gaze soft and steady. Ready, set, go!
Half Sun Salutation, Ardha Surya Namaskar. Fold forward with a long spine, then lift halfway up with the chest extended. The final shape should feel open through the back and hamstrings while keeping the neck relaxed.
Ready, set, go!
Chair pose, Utkatasana. Sit your hips back as if lowering into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Your arms should extend overhead with a long spine and active core engagement.
Ready, set, go!
Warrior One pose, Virabhadrasana 1. Step one foot back and bend the front knee while pressing firmly into both feet. Your hips should square forward and your arms reach upward in a strong, energetic line.
Ready, set, go!
Warrior Two pose, Virabhadrasana 2. Open your hips and arms wide, extending your reach parallel to the ground. The final pose should feel stable and powerful, with your gaze focused over the front hand.
Ready, set, go!
Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Straighten your front leg and hinge sideways, bringing your hand towards your shin or the floor. Your chest should turn open and your top arm extend toward the sky for a spacious, calm shape.
Ready, set, go!
Low lunge with back bend, Anjaneyasana variation. Sink the hips forward while lifting the chest and stretching the arms overhead. The final posture should feel open through the hips and heart, encouraging deep, energizing breathing.
Ready, set, go!
Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Heels gently reach toward the floor while the spine lengthens and the head relaxes between the arms.
Ready, set, go!
Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Sit tall with legs extended, then fold from the hips with a relaxed neck. The final posture should feel like a gentle lengthening along the back body without forcing the stretch.
Ready, set, go!
Easy pose with breathwork, or Sukhasana. Sit cross-legged with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. Your hands rest on your knees while you breathe slowly, creating a calm and happy finishing shape. You were awesome today. Like, subscribe, and come back for more playful yoga fun. Bye-bye, yogis!